SlyStone, the sound of a revolution. He was born Sylvester Stewart, but the world came to know him as SlyStone, the genius who changed the rhythm of music forever.
In the late 60s, Sly formed Sly and the Family Stone, a bold, interracial band during a time of racial division. Their sound? A new fusion, funk, soul, rock, and hope. Hits like Everyday People and Dance the music weren't just songs. They were anthems of change, calling for peace, love, and togetherness.
But behind the spotlight, Sly battled addiction and fame. His light dimmed, he disappeared from the stage.
For years, the world wondered, where's SlyStone? On June 9, 2025, the world said goodbye to the funk pioneer at age 82. But his music, his message, still lives on. Like, subscribe, and share for more content.